Hello and welcome to iNurture video. In this video, we'll discuss the type of mobile services. After watching this video, you will be able to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of mobile web applications, analyze the role of SIM as a platform and differentiator, describe the evolution of mobile services, outline the various types of mobile services offered. Businesses these days are opting for mobile platforms to grow their customer base. The mobile market is booming with billions of mobile users worldwide, and most of the online searches are usually done using mobile devices. Also, the amount of time people prefer to remain online using mobile phones is much greater than the using desktop computers. Now the question arises, if the businesses prefer to migrate to mobile platform to expand their businesses, which mobile app should they upgrade to? Mobile web app or a native app? We will know the answer to this question in the course of this video. Internet usage in smartphone has doubled during the last 5 years as most users prefer to download and use mobile apps. Therefore, the demand for different mobile applications is rising day by day. An enterprise usually creates its brand awareness through a website. Now, several companies opt for websites targeted to a mobile audience. The best option for enterprises is to build a mobile web app that is platform and device independent to reach maximum audience. A mobile web app refers to a web application designed specially for smartphones and tablets and is accessed using a web browser of a mobile device, similar to any traditional web application. A mobile web app is developed using three main technologies: HTML for defining static text and images, CSS for defining styles and presentation, third, the JavaScript for defining user interaction and animations. As mobile web apps access browsers, they must be a platform and a device independent. Hence, the apps must run on any platform or any web-enabled device. When a user wants to access a mobile web app, it is downloaded from a central web server. Mobile web apps developed using HTML5 can run on a mobile device and can also be used offline. Let's now understand a mobile web app is better than a native mobile app. Mobile web apps are comparatively cheap, easy, and fast to develop. However, customization is required for different devices. They are usually standardized apps, thereby enabling the creation of universal mobile web apps rather than native ones. It is easy and cheap to maintain a mobile web app in comparison to a native apps, as the changes needed to be updated on different devices. A single web app can work on different devices. They are simple to use and can be accessed from anywhere. Users just have to type a URL in the mobile browser and download the latest application to their device. They can also bookmark the URL for easy accesses. However, there are some limitations of using the mobile web apps. Mobile browsers have limited capabilities in comparison to traditional desktop browsers. Improvements are still going on in mobile browsers in Android, Apple, RIM and Windows platforms. Similarly, functionalities are provided, but they do not provide the same for other platforms. Depending on the platforms to be supported, the solution provided is limited and requires customization, which takes time across different browser versions. Mobile web apps fail to access the hardware and software of a mobile device. Complex graphics, such as gaming, is also not supported. Further, web apps do not support controlling a camera, a mobile phone app, or direct GPS. Mobile web apps usually need an internet connection to function. In addition, they encounter performance issues if the website is slow or is not available. If users are traveling, there might be no Wi-Fi coverage, and so they must pay for a data connection. In few countries, the cost of data is nominal, whereas in other countries it can cost much. The case is different for mobile web apps developed using HTML5, as it makes the app content available even in an offline mode. This enables users to access the app without a Wi-Fi network. A mobile service refers to any service that is operated on a mobile device. A mobile service can be a voice service or a data service. Other services include video streaming, roaming location-based services, and so on. For the past 10 years, mobile services have evolved from providing basic voice calls to mobile multimedia services. To date, we have experienced 4 stages in the progression of mobile services, namely simple communication, high-speed downloading and uploading, real-time latency sensitive services. A 5th stage, seamless fixed mobile convergence, is about to enter services. The first mobile service progression, simple communication services, were introduced by wireless technology advancement in the CDMA, IS-95 and GSM GPRS air interfaces. They contain basic voice and text services related to the SMS and emails. The second mobile service progression, high-speed downloading, enabled mobile broadband services, were introduced by wireless technology advancements in the EVDO Release 0 and HSDPA air interfaces. EVDO Release 0 and HSDPA brought enhancement in the best delivery of asymmetric traffic. Mobile operators capitalized on the technology improvements by adding new services based on the downloading of multimedia content such as video and music on demand, the ringtones and internet access. Mobile services such as SMS and emails were also improved so that multimedia attachments can be included. The third and the fourth mobile service progression, high-speed downloading and uploading and real-time latency sensitive services, addressed users' demand for more wireline offerings in the mobile environment. They provided high data usage per user and also introduced upload services such as multimedia messaging service (MMS) and user-generated content services such as social networking and media sharing. The recent mobile services were enabled by advancements in EVDO Revision A and HSUPA air interfaces. EVDO Revision A and HSUPA brought delivery optimization for uplink traffic transmissions, enhanced QoS capabilities, and enhanced latency reduction. With the addition of real-time latency-sensitive mobile services, the mobile operators can now offer latency-sensitive and simultaneous voice and data services. For example, VoIP, PTT, and video sharing, video telephony, and live multiplayer gaming. The fifth mobile service progression, which is seamless fixed mobile convergence, will be in service. Seamless fixed mobile connection offers ubiquitous connectivity between mobile networks such as wide area networks, home networks such as wireless local area networks and femtocells, and consumer electronic CE by providing support to several different area interfaces over a common IP core network. As seen in the image on the slide, John Wilson provides the 3 categories of mobile services on the basis of the use of mobile services. First, conversation. The conversation category consists of all the traditional phone calls and other services such as push-to-talk communication. It also contains all types of non-voice conversation such as messaging, such as SMS, MMS, emails, mobile chats, etc. Second, the content services. This service includes SMS, MMS related content services. For instance, sending an SMS to download a new ringtone, application that can be downloaded, and browser related content service. Third, data access. This service contains different methods of transferring data from mobile devices. Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. A mobile web app refers to a web application designed specially for smartphones and tablets. It is accessed using a web browser of a mobile device. SIM is a small smart card inserted within a GSM or UMTS enabled mobile device. For the past 10 years, mobile services have evolved from providing basic voice calls to mobile multimedia. Mobile services are basically classified into conversation, content services, and data access categories. Thank you for watching the video.